Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube channel. If you encounter any issue with your phone number cannot be used for verification on YouTube Android device, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot the problem. First, you need to check for the internet connection. Ensure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet connection, preferable Wi-Fi. Sometimes a poor internet connection can cause verification issue. You could simply restart a device. Try restarting your Android device. This can often resolve temporary glitches or the issues within the device's software. You will also update your YouTube app. Go to the Play Store and look out for the YouTube and make sure that a YouTube app is updated to the latest version available on the Google Play Store. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that may address verification issues, clear app cache and the data. Simply press the YouTube app like this. Go to the app information and under the storage and cache tab there. On the bottom, you can see clear storage and clear cache option. Select the clear storage option and tap on the OK, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.